All right. It's hard to stop and take video when you're out there working and you don't have much time. So it is 9:30. At about 8:45, this is day 5, Whole Life Adventure. We're in a Missouri property, and so 8:45, I knocked off. We've been brush hogging. Saturday was the big brush hogging day. Could not believe how much we got done. The thing stalled. My wife and I went and got a battery and other supplies. Spent about $160, and no, I guess it's close to $300. $350 in supplies, gas cans, rakes, shovels, pickaxe, stuff we've been using a lot on the property, and the new battery for the tractor. As a thank to our buddy Ron that let us lent the tractor to us. Also make it where I didn't have to go try to jump it. There's my Henry. And anyway, Henry and Dallin and his friend Caleb were all removing trees today. I can't show you pictures of the big, huge brush piles that need to be taken down to the public brush burn pile. But anyway, got a lot done. We came back because I remembered I have a test kit to test the water in that shallow well. It was fun because like the cup comes back and it's like all fogged up because the water's so cold down in the well. So anyway, yeah, we that's today's update. Good progress. Our friends Allison and Warren came by as we Warren hadn't seen all the progress we made. He left last Thursday, and was like, whoa, like all this progress. So I think progress will be a little slower now as we are just clearing trees, and as we're designing and getting our survey so we can finalize our plans. But we'll give you updates as they come. Waiting on closing on the property, waiting on survey. We're finalizing those plans to choose a site. The survey affects the site, and we're also clearing a bunch of trees as we go. And I've got to figure out, we've brush hogged, now I want to get it down to like mowed level. We want to mulch all the stuff I brush hogged, and there's some other areas that we want to brush hog too. So you can tell Henry's ready to go to bed too.
I'm tired.
Yeah, me too. All right, till next update.